Yeah, I got a package. This is coming from, yeah, I bought it from eBay. This is a headset, but it is a bone conduction earphone. Oh, it looks like very small for me. So this is the one. The brand is a Trex Titanium Wireless Bone Conduction Headphone. Nice packaging, mate. Yeah, but it looks very small. I hope it's fit in my head. Yes, it comes with this, the headset, pouch, a manual, air plug, and the charger. Warranty card, 2-year warranty. Nice. So basically this one works like this. Oh, it's just right for me. Yeah, if you can see, it's like this. It's a bone conduction headphone. You don't need to put it inside the ears, just outside here, and you're going to hear the music and the sound outside. So you hear everything, not just the music. It's good for sports, good for biking. Yeah, that is the reason why I got this one. Good when I am on my bike. Yeah. Okay, the first thing you need to do is to charge this one. Yeah, you see the thread? It means that it is charging. Okay, yeah, now it's color blue. As you can see there, it means that it is fully charged. If you notice this one, this is an ears plug, the same like the one that they are given to you in the airplane. And there is a power button here. Yeah, and I got another package. This is basically a shoes, a kitchen shoes. Yeah, nice. I will check you later. Yeah, because the shoes that I have is already worn out, and yeah, I need a new one. Through one night without you, if I had to live without you. I don't need this. Yeah, it's actually 6 hours music and call. Not waterproof, but just water resistant. Yeah, we're going outside and we're going to try this, how it is really work outside. You know, when you switch this on, you're going to hear a voice, and it says that welcome. Yeah, and then it says connected. Nice. So I put it like that, and then my cup, and then my helmet, and it's like this. Yeah, and then I play the music, and I can still hear the the birds, things like that, and the music. Nice. And yeah, we're just going outside to buy rice. Yeah, as you can see, there are so many garbage bins outside because today is the schedule for the pickup of those. Oh, some flowers, man. Yeah, this is so good that I can clearly hear the sound of the cars, the wind, everything that is around me. And at the same time, I heard the nice music. Love is one revolution. Yeah, we're going to buy a coffee. That would be like my breakfast. So the ferry is leaving now. No passenger. Yeah. This banana bread is so good. The coffee is a little bitter. Yeah, but it's a good combination because Yeah, sweet banana bread and just right coffee. Just right or bitter? For me, I don't know. But I asked the guy there to put one sugar. I think one sugar is not enough. Yeah, this guy is bringing things into the ferry, into the yacht. Most of them are alcoholic beverages and snacks. So nice. Also, yeah, this headset is also showing that it is connected in here, and there is a battery. It shows also how much is the battery of the headset. Nice. Yeah, I went to the grocery and I have these things. Everything are in my backpack. And we are back home, and I'm going to show you the earphone, the headset that I have. Look at this. Yeah, so basically this is one of the original headset that I have. This is now broken. This one is very expensive. This is around $200. I bought it from Apple Store in Sydney CBD. But like after a few weeks, I'm not really satisfied because, you know, if you wear this, you don't really hear the other sound outside. You don't hear the sound outside. And then I bought a new original headset, but it is also broken. It is still working, but this button is not working. And because of that, I decided to buy this one. Yeah, this one is good, but also you don't hear the sound outside. And aside from that, I cannot wear this when I'm wearing the helmet. I cannot use this. So yeah, this is just good when you are traveling, walking around without the bike. Really, I decided to buy a fake one, which is $10. Yeah, but this one is already broken. No sound anymore. Yeah, because if you see this, it easily break out. I just attach it again, but this is broken. I'm going to throw that. And then I bought another one. This one I bought it from Kmart. This one is still good, it's still working, but it is very annoying that this part is very near to the ear. So yeah, when you are touching this, it is losing from the ears. So yeah, that's why I don't like this. I decided to buy a new one, which is this one. But the same problem with this one. This one is losing. And if you notice, I just put Scotch tape. Yeah, not good. Yeah, those are my headset. And I got one comment in one of my videos that, you know, riding a bike with a headset in the ear is not really safe. And I feel the same actually. Yeah, and yeah, that is one of the reasons why I buy this kind of headset, this kind of earphone. Yeah, so basically this is a earphone, but it is a bone conduction. So basically the sound travels from the bones to the something inside. I don't know. Yeah, I just searched in Google and then in YouTube, and yeah, that is where I discovered this kind of headset. And this is actually nice. Not the best audio because, you know, but I am satisfied with this and I like it. Yeah, look at that. Wasted. And yeah, this is the one that I am using now. This is really nice. If you are interested to buy this one, I'll put the link down below. And yeah, enjoy it yourself. This one is the mini. This one is the Trix Titanium, and it is mini. Yeah, there is regular size, but this mini is just fit in my head nicely. Yeah, that's it, mate. Thank you for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.